Khasta Kachori from Jaipur, Lilwa Tuverni Kachori from Surat, and Hinger Kachori from Kolkata. These are varieties of a popular anytime snack eaten in northern India. Today, in Spice Box on Holi Special, we will be making Matar ki Kachori, a springtime delicacy that is made with fresh green peas when they are at its sweetest. Kachoris are deep-fried, crisp and flaky pastries that have been lightly stuffed with a mild and tangy filling of minced green peas, flavored with spices, green coriander and tamarind. To make kachoris, we will require maida, green peas that are fresh and have been crushed, tamarind paste, red chili powder, ghee, salt, cumin, garam masala, hing, ginger, coriander leaves, sugar, green chilies, baking powder and crushed saunf. To begin with, we'll heat the kadhai with the oil. This is what we're going to deep fry the kachoris in. While that is heating up, we'll go ahead and sift the maida. The baking powder and just a pinch of salt. Sift it. The reason we're doing this is to incorporate air into the flour. This way the kachori will be nice and flaky. There we go. Now you can see it's mixed with the salt and the baking powder. Now we will add the ghee. We need about 3 tablespoons for every cup of flour. You must incorporate the ghee into the maida very gently, and the reason we do this is so that it creates these little breadcrumbs like texture. So when we make our kachoris, they'll be nice and flaky. You can see this is the texture of breadcrumbs. Now we will add water to bind the dough. Remember not to overwork the dough, just until it's a thick, not as thin as chapati flour, but kind of like a chapati dough, but more like paratha, like when you make the dough for paratha. Our dough is now made. I'm going to put a paper towel on it and let it sit while we make the stuffing. So our pan is heating with some oil. We'll add the jeera and let it sputter. Then the ginger, green chilies and some hing. Hing makes the filling really flavorful. Now we will add our crushed green peas. Because when you stuff it in the kachori, if there is too much of liquid in it, your kachoris will burst open. Now we'll cook this for just a couple of seconds. Our green peas mixture has been cooking for a couple of seconds, like about maybe a minute. Now we're going to add the tamarind paste. If you don't have tamarind, you could always add amchur powder also. Red chilies, garam masala, how spicy or mild you like it, some crushed saunf, and just a tad bit of sugar. Mix them all and just sprinkle some water. And let this cook for another minute or two, just until all the spices have had a chance to mingle with the green peas. Our green peas have been cooking for about 2 minutes. I'll turn off the flame and add the coriander leaves and set it aside to cool. Our filling has now cooled down. It's time to make little balls or pedas out of the dough that we had made earlier. Roll them into small puri size, about maybe 3 inches in diameter. Take some water and put it around the edges so that it will seal well. Take a teaspoon of your stuffing, gently place it into the puri, and now bunch up the dough on all sides and tuck it in nicely. To put it into the oil. Now the oil shouldn't be very high, it should be medium high, and then slowly so we'll continue making till all our kachoris are made. Keep an eye of the kachori that's frying and just gently flip it over every once in a while, so that it browns evenly on both sides. A perfect kachori is one that has puffed up, flaky on the outside, hollow on the inside with just a hint of stuffing. Now if you want to make a healthier version of kachoris, you could always bake these in an oven or air fryer at 180 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Just beware that when you serve these kachoris, they are bound to disappear as they are incredibly addictive.